Welcome to the ArcGIS course. So in today's course, I will teach you how to do the clip function. So I just download this is the Iraqi roadmap from online, and my interested area is just in the south part. So I need only this part. So instead of working with all this part, if I flip up and down, I have to wait for my map to continue. So the clip functions from here allow you to cut the only part of the interest area that you need to work on and cut all the others. Go for geoprocessing, clip. For input features, I need to cut all the rows, so give him the input feature rows. For the output features, give him the area you want to work on, so this is the clip function features. And for the output, you have just to set the output name, for example new folder, name it just Basra Road. Save this one and then click OK. You have to wait, and then here we go. You can check. So this is just the road just created for our area. We can do the same with, if we back to our water, so there is a free spot of water. We can do the same. Go back to geoprocessing, clip. Now I'm gonna give him the water free, and this is the area we need to cut. I'm gonna name the same output. This is water. Save this one and click OK and wait for a clipping. The clip now is completed. Gonna remove this part and source our water. So we can check. We have this is the water spot, and you can add this is Basra Road. Okay, so this is the road and water. So this is the easy way. You can do it from geoprocessing. Clip functions allow you to cut the part that you need to work on. Now it's easy to work with these just for area of interest. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.